Hello, everyone. This is Rahul Arora from eXp Realty. Welcome to this month's monthly market update. Before we jump into the numbers, let's put some perspective in place because these numbers with year over year comparison would be very vague. You must have listened to them on the radio and in the news everywhere with the high percentages. So let's bring them into perspective. Last year in April, the COVID outbreak had just begun and we were in the initial stages and the market was very unstable at the moment. Consumers that were very desperate or in the essential need to buy or sell were active in the real estate segment. For example, people who had already sold their house or someone who had already bought a house and they had to move into a different house were only active in that market. So the numbers would be vague on a year-to-year comparison. In today's video, we will also look at month-over-month data to bring things into perspective. So let's get into the numbers. Overall sales were up by 350% year over year, which is actually laughable. But compared to March 2021, our numbers were slightly down by 12%. The average price was up by 32% year over year, but compared to March of 2021, it was slightly down by 3%. The average selling price remained constant from March 2021 to roughly about 1.09 million, which is standing steady for this month as well. The months of inventory was still below one for most of the pockets around Toronto and within Toronto as well. That being said, the inventory is still low around the market. The condos have seen a slight increase in the prices. They're up by almost 20% from where they were last April. So a lot of people are having confidence to go back into the condos within the cities. So that's been a good change. Let's look at the breakdown of different house types. The detached market is sitting at 1.38 million at the moment. Semis are at roughly 1.06 million. Townhouses are at 860,000, and condos are sitting at 690 odd thousand at the moment. My final take on the market is that it is still very competitive for the buyers. Overall, we've seen some pockets slow down, especially around Brampton and in the suburbs areas outside Toronto. But still, the growth is steady. You'll see less number of offers on the properties, but the selling price is still pretty steady. But yeah, that's it for this month's market update. If you or anybody that you know is looking to buy or sell, I will be happy to get in touch and guide you through the market. But that's it for market update. Thank you for listening. Take care. Bye bye. See ya.